my god, guys, this is so beautiful. Damn, this is so good. What is up, my people? Welcome and welcome back. It's the Jamaican friend here again with another epic banger reaction. Okay, guys, so on this reaction, we're gonna react to BABYMONSTER's Stuck in the Middle special stage performance. No, I'm not really sure what to expect from this one, but I'm pretty sure that I'll be expecting something phenomenal, right? They have released a track 7 days ago, the time when you're watching this video, right? That is the official music video for Stuck in the Middle. Now this is the live performance. I didn't get the chance to react to the music video because I didn't get the time to, but now I have the time, so I'll be checking out the live performance. A little bit later from now, you guys should stay tuned so I could give you the music video reaction next after this, or maybe 2 videos, right? So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Because I do like the BABYMONSTER. They are quite cute, beautiful females. They can perform very well. Love the energy, love the vibe. I love the outfit that they are wearing. Quite phenomenal, right? So without further ado, guys, let's take a walk into that live performance for now and see what's up. Peace.
All this time we've been together, and I still don't know how to feel. Sometimes I wish you just talk to me. Maybe it's make-believe, maybe it can be true. I try to tell myself I'm not in love with you. I thought that I knew everything. Guess I don't know anything, yeah.
See, that's what I'm talking about, right? They are so amazing when it comes on to writing stories, telling how it should go, right? The way how they constructed themselves, it seems as if it's so realistic that you are literally feeling it out of the actual live performance. It's quite amazing to me.
I get emotional and hypothetical, on trend of there all kinds of things I'm not supposed to know. I try my best to let it go, let go. Baby, they bring me back, bring me back. You leave my feet off of the ground, keep me spinning around and around.
Wow, superb voice, right? It is just quite a phenomenal thing to sit and to relax and to hear what they are saying thoroughly, right? It is not just a voice, it is just a lifesaver. These women's voices are so powerful, it gravitates you differently.
I don't ever wanna come down from your arms. You tell me that you need me, then you walk away, keep promising forever. What the words you say is true.
Guys, this is a very well written song, and it's true. You know why? It's a level that we all went through at a point in our lives. Well, not many people though, because we have people who literally in a relationship and they never yet messed up before and it's going perfectly, right? But in some cases like this, especially in this time and age where things is just so fragile at this moment, it's so hard to endure a relationship long enough for it to be a long-lasting relationship. And they are speaking facts right here.
Don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you.
Guys, we have someone who we love, trust, rate, right? But sometimes we messed up. But sometimes we do things that is not pleasing to that person's sight because we are human, right? Mistake have to be made. But what we should do is to just forgive that person because none of us are perfect, right? And we should always love that person in every ways possible.
Know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. What a spark, lying in the dark, giving my everything. Pulling me in, pushing me out, pulling me back again.
Wow! Oh, phenomenal. This voice is really amazing, right? Each individual in this special stage performance that they call themselves baby monsters, right? They are really amazing, right? They seems to be so impressive in everything that they do.
Know if your mind is made up, but I know that nobody wanna be stuck. You are the one that I want. All I can promise you now is my love. You say you want me, you say you care.
Yeah, yeah. Love is a very beautiful thing, right? But when you do love someone, we have to embrace that person. We have to show that person love at 100%. Right? Love is a very beautiful thing when we find it. But what is love if we don't have anyone to give it to? It's nothing. It's empty.
When we're together, are you even there? Give me the keys to your heart. Let me believe from the start. Now all that I know is I got all this love I won't take back. My love, my love, my love, my love.
Let's cherish the moment. Let's take the time out to say, hey, babes, I love you. And let's keep up the good work. Let's love each other to the end. Right? And this is how we embrace each other.
You lift my feet off of the ground, keep me spinning around and around. I don't even wanna come down from your arms. You tell me that you need me, then you walk away. Keep promising forever with the words you say is true.
Guys, right? Sometimes we made promises, right? We made a lot of promises. And our partner do believe the promises sometimes because of just trust, right? So if we don't fulfill that promise, the trust will be break. Because if we say, hey, I'll do this for you tomorrow, next week or next month, when that time comes, that promises never fulfill, then you're gonna lose the trust there. Let us fulfill that promise. Because a promise is a comfort to a fool. Let us fulfill the promise and keep on going.
So know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you, Oh, you got me really confused. Don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Ah, superb song. Lovely performance. This is so dope.
I'm stuck in the middle with you. I've tried to be good to myself, good for my health. Is it selfish if I'm constantly turning to you?
These women are so gorgeous, right? Damn, damn, I gotta say, props to them, man. I love this song.
To you. If you knew what I'm feeling right now, you comfort my heart. You tell me that you need me, then you walk away, keep promising forever. With the words you say is true.
my god, guys, this is so beautiful. Damn, this is so good.
Don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you.
A job well done. Compliments to these women. They have done a great job. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? And if you guys did like my reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.